Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. My name is Annisa Sya'diah. I am from English Letters in the third semester from class B. In this video, I will make a dessert. The name is the rainbow jelly. The ingredients and tools is very easy to get and you can try in your home. So, without lingering, let's make it. Okay guys, this is the ingredient. Oh wait, yes, the three ingredient is very simple. In this time, for make a rainbow pudding, we need a jelly or a pudding. Pudding of a various flavor. This is I use watermelon flavor, mango flavor, grape flavor, and strawberry flavor. And I use sugar. This optional because the jelly itself already contains sugar and a mineral water. Yes, that's it. It's very simple. Okay, this is the tools. It's a very simple. This is a pan, and this is a spoon, and I don't know. This is like a mixer, but no, I forget the name. And this is a container for a rainbow pudding. And I share the tools available in your home. This is a very simple. Yes. Okay. This is a melon flavor, watermelon flavor, and this is the sugar, 1 spoon, and mix it. Okay, again, and mineral water. Okay, 2 glass, 1, and 2, and don't forget to mix again. Okay, turn on the stove and cooking again. Then add the fruit acid. Its functional is to provide a short taste like a fruit. I'm sorry, because there should be a jelly cooking process with a strawberry flavor, but the video is not safe. I'm so sorry. Tunggu sampai dingin atau kalian bisa masukkan ke freezer, guys. Yes, like this. We can repeat again the process. Repeat again and until we make a rainbow jelly. Like this. Yes. Strawberry. On. Wow. Yes. Let it cool a rainbow jelly, or we can use a freezer for span of cooling until 5 minutes maybe. Yes. After it cool down and becomes one, remove it from the mold and keep it separate, and then cut to size.
we can add milk or flour. And this time I use a milk. It's very sweet. And we can add a sprinkle for garnish for make a rainbow jelly beautiful. Yes, rainbow jelly is finished, ready for dessert. Ingredient and tool is very easy and cooking manner is very simple. You can try in your home. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for my mistake, and don't forget to try in your home because the ingredient and tool is very easy and simple and available in your home. And thank you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.